sa hindi mainit na lugar.
Tumawag ka ng 911, bilisan mo!
Hello, 911. May emergency po dito sa amin sa Purok 9, Block 4 po.
Prepare the materials. First step is elevate the foot of the patient. Second step, remove the clothes of the patient. Third is check the ABC or airway, breathing, and circulation of the patient. Fourth is check the body temperature of the patient.
–45°C.
Fifth is cool the body with ice packs or wet towels. This is more effective way of doing it.